Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cookie Couture. As we get ready to receive a beautiful new year 2026, I wanted to share a recipe that's festive, elegant, and incredibly easy. Something that makes your table feel special without spending all day in the kitchen. I will be using this delicious smoked salmon with Sichuan chili flavor from FishWife. They sent it to me to use in my recipes, and I absolutely love how it brings smoky, savory flavor with just the right amount of gentle heat. So let's get started. I will start by hydrating the gelatin. I will shape the mousse in the numbers 2026, so this is going to be a perfect appetizer for your New Year's celebrations. You will need a can of smoked salmon, look at this salmon, it looks super delicious. I will put it in the blender with the cream cheese, the mayonnaise, and all the other savory ingredients. I will leave you the link in the recipe in the description. While this was blending, I melted the gelatin in the microwave for 10 seconds and added to the mix. Now I am going to continue blending until everything is very nice and smooth. Now I am going to put it in a pan and I am going to put it in the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours. And when it is nice and firm, I am going to use cookie cutters to cut out the pieces of 2026. And I am going to put the numbers in a nice board. This will make your table look festive, cozy, and New Year ready. And for the finishing touches, you can add your favorite crackers and baggies. And that's it. Simple, elegant, and perfect for welcoming 2026. And if you would like to try the smoked salmon I use, you can shop it in my YouTube shopping tab. Happy New Year and thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a delicious 2026.